Then come here chat due to they're Christian, them a beat the Obeah Dolly bad. All our Obeah man a beat her bad. And still I got a conference.
Okay, boom, viewers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forward from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. My day, so for telling the war go on for not to go on. So let's just kick it off with Dancehall Queen Spice. Cause you know, say things not nice in the Christian side. You see what I'm saying? Right now, Miss Chin is done with Kipridge and, you know, Kissy for now. And focusing our attention on dancehall artists Masicka, Baby Mother, and Clymaxx and Spice. This is my saying it's all because of this conference thing, as you heard in the beginning. You know, Spice set the host this church function, and you know, our people did a reel up already. So Miss Chin joined the thing.
My dear, do not go in. Come here again, chat. What a way Masicka him go by house for him son. And the stick figure, the stick foot, baby mother. What's your name? We didn't have Magnum. The mother foot was Clymaxx. She get house uptown for a couple. Her mother put them in a chat. What is this?
No, I don't really know what's going on, but Clymaxx has since responded to Miss Chin. You know, Spice now answer, you see what I said, but nevertheless, Miss Chin did further to go on to say, me hear from good source that Masicka Baby Mother Clymaxx said she not like me. And she said, BITCH, I mean never like you first, aka Jai Bones, move your bomber clap, me not shot, likes. You see what I said? In Clymaxx response, she said, then somebody can't tell me why Kipridge Baby Mother over her page I call me name. Me not like the internet bagger, you know, but me tired of this baby father this and baby father that argument. When uno in a more baby father worries than me, uno not tired. Obeah Dolly Chin no call me name cause I don't like you. About stick foot. Another that me want to use me stick foot them catch up in a your long whoa, I can't say that word, you see me. Stay there, call me name and see if me no wrap up your bad belly, blood clot. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People can't we all just get along? You see my say, no, me say RT Boss post up this flyer on his Instagram channel. Not sure if it's real or not, cause that's what some people in the comment section did say. But what a thing if RT Boss and Spice upon the same church business thingy? Well, tickets would have sell off, man, you see me? But anyway, people, I'm just giving them a quick update while I go on for that to go on. Do not forget to check out these next suggested videos and zip on the screen. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.